Hey guys, it's Ritika. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all my most favorite skincare products, and I have a lot of favorite skincare products which are lying in front of me all over here. So I'm going to be sharing with you all what skincare products I've been using since the past 6 to 8 months or maybe more than that, and what skincare products are really working for my skin. And also just wanted to let you guys know that I'm in a different room today, so the setup is a little different. And the special part about today's video is that all of these products are made in India. So now we need to go vocal for local. So now I'm just gonna try to buy products which are made in India only. And especially talking about skincare, then our Indian skincare companies have a lot of amazing products. And today I have some brands which you might not be knowing, but I really wanted to share my opinion on all of these brands. Like namely, I have Tejori and I also have this Ilana Cosmetics brand. So I really wanted to share my favorite Indian skincare brands and my favorite Indian skincare products. So I'm going to be talking to you guys about all of the products, starting from face wash and then toners, then serums or serums, and then moisturizer, and then my favorite scrubs and my favorite masks. And these products are absolutely working for me, and I've been loving all of these products. And also wanted to put another thing here, that to see some great results on your skin texture or on your skin, your diet and what you eat and what you drink, like water and other things which are healthy for your body. So these things matter a lot more than skincare. So you need to firstly focus, or you need to firstly improve your diet, your water intake, and you need to include healthy eating habits, and you need to have fruits, nuts and raw vegetables daily in your diet to see some good results on your hair, on your skin. There is no substitution for any of these products. So before starting out, I need to tell you guys that I have combination skin, so my T-zone is oily and my cheeks and the other areas are pretty normal. So now I'm gonna start with the face washes first, and my first recommendation, or the first face wash which I truly love, is by Plum. It's the Plum Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash. This is for combination oily and acne prone skin, and I have finished at least 3 bottles of this face wash and I absolutely love it. It has great qualities of green tea, and it also has these minute scrub particles inside it. So these are pretty minute and you just feel a gentle touch on your skin. So this is the first face wash which I absolutely recommend, and it really worked nicely for my skin. It does not leave your skin dry, and also especially your oily zone or the T-zone, it does not leave it super stretchy or super dried, nor it leave it oily. So it works really nicely. It worked really nicely for my skin type. So this is my first recommendation. And now coming to my second recommendation, and this is by Juicy Chemistry, and this is the Tamanu Kakadu Plum and Frankincense. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but yeah, these have these great ingredients, and it's an organic face wash. So Juicy Chemistry is a brand which is 100% free from any sort of chemicals. That's why the shelf life of this brand is only 6 months. So you need to finish up your products within 6 months from the date of purchasing or buying, and of course you can finish up a face wash within 6 months. And I finished this face wash in about 2.5 to 3 months. So it took me 3 months to finish it, and now it's completely empty. And this is great for damaged and pigmented skin. So Kakadu Plum has the highest amount of vitamin C. It's a fruit, so it's extremely nice to remove any sorts of scars or blemishes or pigmentation on your face. It really helps in removing that using regularly. And also to let you guys know that this was recommended by Shweta Vijay. So she's also a YouTuber and she produces some quality content and she tells a lot about skincare, and this was recommended by her. I'm gonna put the link of her channel in the description box below. And this is my second recommendation. And now coming to the third recommendation and the last recommendation for my face washes. This is the Vows Brightening Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash. So this also has an inbuilt brush. It's really nice, and I've made a full in-depth review on this. I'm going to link the video somewhere here in the I button. It's a foaming face wash, and this brush really helps in cleaning up or deep cleaning your skin. And also it has a lot of vitamin C in it. So vitamin C again has a lot of benefits. It has a lot of antioxidants. It hydrates your skin. So it also leaves your face fresh and not dry at all. And also about the MRP and the link of all of these products are mentioned in the description box below. So you guys can check out all of these products in the description box below. And now coming to my favorite toners. So the first one is from Good Vibes. It's the Pomegranate Glow Toner. It's extremely affordable. It's just for rupees 175, and you can also get some amazing discounts on it. So it's extremely affordable, and you also get a lot of quantity. So you are getting 120 ml of the quantity, and it is also free from alcohol, paraben, sulfates, and it's cruelty free as well. So pomegranate is also really nice for your skin as it leaves a glow on your face. It helps in preventing the collagen breakdown down. So this leaves your skin fresh and glowy, and you're also getting a lot of quantity. And now coming to the next toner recommendation, and this is the pure rose water by Kama Ayurveda. I really love using this rose water, and I also have used rose water from Juicy Chemistry. As you guys can see, I have finished 2 bottles of the Bulgarian rose water from Juicy Chemistry. I love them as well, but if I need to recommend you guys something, then I would recommend you this one by Kama Ayurveda. It just has pure distilled rose water into it, and rose water helps to calm down your skin, soothes your skin, and is extremely important and nice for your skincare routine. And I have ordered 2 bottles of this. So this one from Kama Ayurveda is a must-have, as you mix rose water with a lot of face packs as well. So I think this works really nicely for your skin. So this is my rose water or my toner recommendation. And now coming to serums, and I really wanted to include this brand, and this Indian brand is just extremely amazing. I really love using products from this brand. I also have used a face mask from this brand. I don't have it right now as I got done with it, but this product or this serum is extremely amazing, and it has papaya and lemon in it, and it has all these natural ingredients. It does not have a single artificial ingredient, and all of these ingredients are 100% naturally derived, as I mentioned, and this just works amazing to reduce the scars, pigmentation, and it just gives a glow to your face as well. Really loved using it, and this brand is amazing. Now talking about another serum recommendation, this is by Wow Skin Science, and this is the vitamin C face serum. It has 20% vitamin C, it is dermatologically tested, it has no parabens, no silicons, no sulfate, no mineral oil. I really love the consistency of this serum. This one feels a little sticky on your face, not too much, but for oily skin people it feels a little sticky, but again I'm saying not too much, so it's not something that you can't buy. But this does not feel sticky at all. This just gets absorbed so quickly, and this just feels so nicely on your skin. So I really love using it, and I also have made a full in-depth video on this serum. I'm going to mention the link in the description. So this is my second recommendation for serum. And now coming to my favorite moisturizers, and this is from a brand called Sugandha, and I am just really loving these moisturizers. I have 2 of these. This is the White Lotus moisturizer. This is for oily to combination skin people, and this one is the Rose Hip moisturizer, and this is for dry to normal skin type, and combination skin people can also use it, but it's best for dry to normal skin people. My mom has a normal skin type, so she's using this Rose Hip moisturizer, and I've been using this Lotus moisturizer. Really love this product. It has White Lotus extracts, it has 3% niacinamide, it also has hyaluronic acid, and it also has panthenol. So White Lotus is amazing to keep your skin firm, it soothes your skin, calms your skin, and niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3. An oil-free moisturizer, it does not leave your skin oily or sticky. It has a gel-like consistency like so, and it just gets absorbed so quickly into your skin, and it just provides the right sort of moisturization which you need for oily skin people or for combination skin people. So I really am loving using this product, and totally 100% recommend. If you are looking to buy a great moisturizer, then go for this one, as it's free from harmful chemicals as well. And if you belong to dry or normal skin, then you can look out for Rose Hip moisturizer, and it has green tea, it has curcumin, it also has 3% niacinamide, it also had hyaluronic acid and panthenol in it. It's also extremely amazing for combination in dry skin, so you can look out for these moisturizers if you are looking to buy some great moisturizers, and which are all chemical and toxin free. And now coming to scrubs and face masks. So my first recommendation for scrubs in the scrubs category is this very affordable Good Vibes Rose and Geranium Skin Tightening Scrub. This is paraben free, sulfate free, and cruelty free, and Rose and Geranium has so many good benefits for your skin. So Rose and Geranium, they both help in tightening up your skin and to remove the dead cells and leave a glow on your face. If you have a dull looking skin, you can try out this product, and also it has these minute scrub particles which do not harm, or these are not at all harsh, so these are not gonna harm your face or your skin. The MRP of this is 195 rupees only, and also you can get some discounts on it. So this is my first recommendation in affordable category for scrubs. And now coming to my most favorite scrub, and this scrub is something that I totally love, and I'm just gonna go out of it, so I need to repurchase it. It has a very nice salty texture, and it has a lot of Himalayan pink salt in it, and a lot of, you guys can see that it it comes in this salty texture, and you need to mix it with rose water and you need to apply it all over your face. So this is extremely beneficial in removing away the little bumps on your face and also to smoothen out your skin texture, and also it removes the dead cells really nicely, and it's very gentle on your skin as well. So this is not at all any harsh, so this does not have any harsh particles. It has very smooth salty particles which are just gonna scrub your face in a right way. Also you need to leave it on your face for about 5 minutes after scrubbing your face, and you just need to scrub your face for 2 to 3 minutes, and this is just amazing. It has the best qualities of saffron, sandalwood also it has, and it's free from all sorts of harmful chemicals. Just amazing, and my favorite scrub, and this is just something amazing and something that I really love using. Now coming to the next part, and it is all about face mask. So this is the first face mask which I really love using, and I'm almost out of it now. So yes, I'm just out of it, and I'm gonna have to reorder it because I really loved it. It's the Plum Chamomile and White Tea Glow Getter face mask. This is for normal, dry and combination skin, and the texture of this face mask is a moussey texture. So when you apply it, it gets dried in about 20 minutes, and then you get a clean glowing face. And also this leaves out, or it just dries up all the oil on your face and leaves your skin really moisturized and fresh. So I really love using this face mask, and this is my first recommendation that you need to try out this face mask. It's amazing. And there's another face mask from Plum that I have tried, but I did not like this face mask, so I thought to tell you guys about the face mask which did not work for me. These might work for you, but this just did not work for me. This is a green tea clear face mask from Plum. I did not get any benefit after using it. I did not like using it. And the second recommendation is from Saint Botanica. This is the vitamin C, E and hyaluronic acid brightening face mask. I really love this face mask, and I also have finished an entire tub of this face mask. This is the empty tub, and I have reordered it because I really like the consistency, really like how it makes my skin look like, or how my skin feels after applying it. This face mask really makes my face so glowy and radiant, so I really love using it. As you guys can see that I already have finished a tub, so I obviously loved using it. And I also have made a full demo and a 15 days challenge sort of a thing with this face mask. I'm also gonna link that in the description box. So really love and recommend this one. And now coming to the next face mask, which is from Tijori brand. It's also a very affordable face mask. This retails for rupees around 300, I guess, or maybe less than that. I'm gonna mention the prices as I said in the description. So this is the Tijori Skin Brightening Upton. So what I really liked about this Upton face mask, that it does not have only besan and haldi. It also has potatoes, it also has sugar, saffron, orange peel powder, and it also has manjistha. I don't know about this manjistha, but it also has tulsi powder, sandalwood powder, rose petal powder, oats flour, wheat flour and coconut husk. So it has a lot of nice ingredients which are all blended together in a powder form. So this is how it looks, and it has all of these natural good ingredients and nothing else in it. You just need to mix it with a little bit of rose water, and you need to apply it on your face, and this leaves your skin so moisturized and so glowy and hydrated as well. And I also have ordered another face mask from Tijori. It's the Acne Control Face Pack. It has neem and it has Fuller's Earth. It is not working as I expected it to work. I don't know, the consistency of this is just something that I'm not able to apply it properly on my face because it leaves a lot of clumps and lumps on my face. So this Acne Control Face Pack is not really working very nice for me. So just wanted to let you guys know about the face mask which is not working for me. And now coming to the start product, and the product which I have just discovered recently, and this is by Neemly Naturals. It's the Activated Charcoal Detox Face Mask. This is an absolutely amazing product. This face mask is a blessing, guys. It has all these natural good ingredients like Fuller's Earth, Multani Mitti, kaolin clay, bentonite clay and activated charcoal. So it just has these 4 ingredients. This pack just does not let my pimple grow, and I've been using it as a night treatment as well. So what I do is I just take out few, it's in a powder form actually. So I just take out a little product and I mix it with rose water, and I apply it all over my pimples or wherever I have pimples. So this is a very natural handmade brand, and this is Neemly, and I'm gonna try out other products from this brand as well, as it's 100% natural, handmade, cruelty free and vegan, and this just works amazingly, and it cleanses your skin and brightens your skin for sure. It leaves a very beautiful glow, and it just removes my pimples because of charcoal, I think, because charcoal really helps in soaking up the excess oil and the excess whatever gunk that you have. So this is just really working nicely for my skin, so I'm just loving it, and I totally recommend using this face mask. So these are all the products which are really working nicely on my skin and really helping me in calming down my skin, calming down my acne, my pimples, and in fading away my acne scars as well. This is all about this video, and I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, then do give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to give it a like, just give it a big thumbs up, and comment down below about if you have used any of these products or if you would like to use any of these. So do let me know in the comment section below, and also subscribe to my channel so that you'll get notified whenever I'll be uploading new videos, and I upload videos regularly on Sundays now. So that's about it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.